Hi you guys. Hi. So we're going to be doing Play-Doh mixing and all that. And I got a lot of tools right here. This little box right here. Got all that. And yeah. And let's just get started. So first thing I'm going to do, we're going to make like a cake, and hopefully we want to do, and we can do hopefully. So let's just get started. So I'm going to use red for the main layer. So I'm just going to take some out. There you go, took all of it out. And I'm just going to use this. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm just gonna roll it up in a ball. Roll it up in a ball. So yeah, I'm rolling it up in a ball. And this is what it looks like, where it came in. I have this cute little mold on top of it. And the color is red. Red, you can kind of see. Red. And yeah. Just gonna roll it up in a ball. It's kind of hard to do it right there. And then we want to have like a little flatness down. Pat it a little down. Out. Then take whatever shape you want to use, and I'm just going to be doing a circle, make it more realistic. You can do a heart shape or anything you want, or a square, or whatever you want. But I'm just going to do this to make it look more realistic. Yeah. This is what it looks like. That little peak right here. And you just want to cut the excess. And then we'll make the frosting. I'm gonna do it blue. I'm gonna put that on over here. So I'm just gonna get some blue frosting. Just gonna yeah, out. outside talking to Tiandre. Sorry. That was my mom talking to me. Junior is outside too with the Maya. Sorry. Junior. So, I'm just gonna put it down on there like that for 4th of July. Maybe like a little 4th of July cake, or you can make it as a cupcake, doesn't matter. And yeah, I'm just gonna use this kind. Lock it up. And there you go. Now I'm just gonna put on here. Really kind of hard to get it like that. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna use this for right here. And then we get that down on the bottom. Then just make the excess wire thingy into that. And you got your own little blue cake. And yeah. I'm just gonna cut it with a spatula. I don't know why I'm just gonna cut it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, and yeah. Hope you guys liked the video. Push like and subscribe. And bye!